Today we're going to talk about how to change the icon displayed in the containment tree or on diagrams based on a tagged value. So to get started, what we have to do is take a stereotype for each of the elements that we want to have an icon. So in this case it's A, B, C, and D. Those are the variant literals that we're going to use in an enumeration. And we're just going to go ahead and drag on some icons. So I'm just going to drag this icon onto here. And it's going to ask me if what I want to do. I want to set it as an icon. So I'm just going to take a minute and do that for A, B, C, and D. So each of these stereotypes needs to carry the icon for us. And so I found this set online, free for non-commercial use. So I'm dragging these on, and now we have set the stereotypes with the icons. The next step is to come to the enumeration that we want to associate with our tag. And we need to add a stereotype to this. And we add the icon handler or icon holder stereotype to it. So that now tells Magic Draw that this is what is going to carry the icons for us, and we just have to apply the stereotypes to these. So I'm applying A to the A element, B to the B element, C to the C element, and now we have these available to us once we start applying them. So that's pretty much all it's going to take. So the enumeration is now an icon holder, and it has the icons associated with each enumerated item. So now we're going to go ahead and we will look at our variant stereotype here, which already has the tag-defined variant that's typed by that enumeration. And so now if I come in here and I apply that stereotype to this element, the variant stereotype, nothing's going to happen to it here in our containment tree, but when I go into the specification window and I go to tags and I set it, we'll set it to A here. Notice that in a few seconds it's going to update here in the containment tree. So I'll go ahead and minimize this and re-expand it, and there you go, it's refreshed. And so I can go ahead and I can change that, and I can make it say a D variant, and again in a couple seconds that now updates to D. So this is a really nice way to be able to identify variant elements. So you could use, say, the base use cases would not have any stereotypes, or the base blocks wouldn't, but as you start doing variants, you can tag them with a variety of icons. The sky's the limit, but it makes it really easy to find them in the containment tree. I believe it also shows up that way in the searches, so it's a good way to be able to distinguish between lookalike items. You can tell immediately at a glance that this is the variant D test block and not another variant. So feel free to use stereotypes with icons to help yourself as you model in Magic Draw. Thanks and have a good day.